Hi friends, welcome to Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Today let me show you how to make origami ring. It is very simple and very easy. Shall we start? Now take a piece of paper of length 10 cm and breadth 5 cm. If you are making it for a kid, then you can reduce length for 1 or 2 centimeters. That is, you can make 8 by 5 or 9 by 5 according to the size of your finger. Now fold this paper into half and crease it. Open it. Again fold this paper into half. Invert. Fold this like this. So first step is fold it into half, open it and fold the paper till the half. Fold the other side also till the half. Now turn the paper back and fold it into half again. Crease it well. Now make a small triangle. Invert. The other side also the same way. Make a small triangle. Crease it well. Now the next step is open the paper and fold it inward along the lines you have creased. The other side also the same way. So it will look like this now. After this step, this paper, open side, you have to fold it inward again till half. Like this. Now flip the paper and fold it inward, and the other side also fold it inward till half. So it will look like this. Now take a pencil, open it, don't open fully, just insert the pencil inside to make a box. It will look like this. Now just crease these two edges like this. Now take the pencil out and turn it backside, turn the paper backside and roll it, the edges, so that it fits in your fingers nicely. Roll the other side in the same way. Final step is you have to insert this way. According to your finger size, you can insert it. So after inserting, this will look like this. Now our ring is ready to wear. This will be a good craft for kids in summer vacation. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on all videos. Thank you.